English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Carefree, deciding factor, gesture. Carefree. Carefree is an adjective. C2 learners usually know carefree. Carefree means free from worry or responsibility. Here are some examples. He lives a carefree life. In those days we were young and carefree. In the picture, she looked easygoing, relaxed and carefree. Deciding factor. Deciding factor is a phrase. C2 learners usually know deciding factor. The deciding factor is the thing that helps a person make a final decision. Here are some examples. Cost is the deciding factor in many of the decisions we need to make. The car did not have air conditioning. That was the deciding factor in not buying it. The quality of teachers is one of the deciding factors in choosing a good secondary school. Gesture. Gesture is a verb and a noun. C2 learners usually know gesture. At C2, to gesture is to point at something with a hand, an arm, or the head. Here are some examples. Wanting them to leave, he gestured in the direction of the door. Not knowing the language, they acted and gestured. She gestured at the carpet, an expensive souvenir of her latest shopping trip in Turkey. Now, write some of your own sentences with carefree, deciding factor and gesture. Download the free C2 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.